The wait is over. We finally got our first look at the highly anticipated Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, and it's nothing short of stunning. With new leaks, hands-on glimpses, and official confirmation surfacing, this flagship is shaping up to redefine the premium smartphone experience. Today, we'll dive deep into everything we've learned about the S25 series, from its performance breakthroughs and design refinements to its bold new AI features. Buckle up, because this is one video you won't want to miss. Starting with performance, Samsung has gone all in with the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, a powerhouse built for speed and efficiency. A recent gaming test featuring Cyberpunk 2077 showcased flawless 60x performance even at 1280x720 resolution. This chip isn't just an upgrade, it's a statement. Benchmarks reveal a massive leap in performance, making the Galaxy S25 Ultra a dream for gamers, multitaskers, and power users alike. This universal adoption of Snapdragon over Exynos for all regions signals Samsung's commitment to delivering consistent top-tier performance across the board. The design has also received a significant overhaul. The S25 Ultra retains its signature boxy aesthetic, but introduces softer, rounded edges for a more comfortable grip. The display is nearly flat, with only a subtle curve along the edges, providing the best of both worlds, premium looks and practical usability. And yes, the S Pen is still here, tucked neatly into its slimmer and lighter frame. It's clear that Samsung is listening to its users, refining instead of reinventing, and the result is a device that feels both familiar and refreshingly new. But what about the camera setup? The Galaxy S25 Ultra doesn't disappoint. With 4 sensors, including a wide-angle lens, dual telephoto lenses, and an ultra-wide lens, it's equipped to handle every photography scenario. While some rumors suggested an under-display camera, Samsung has stuck with a 12MP punch-hole selfie camera for now, ensuring top-notch quality without sacrificing screen clarity. Expect breathtaking shots in all lighting conditions, and with software enhancements powered by One UI 7.0, your photos and videos will reach new heights of creativity. Speaking of One UI 7.0, Samsung's latest software update is a game-changer. The interface is sleeker, more intuitive, and packed with AI-powered features. Rumor has it that Samsung might be collaborating with OpenAI to integrate ChatGPT into its Galaxy AI framework. Imagine a phone that not only anticipates your needs but also holds intelligent conversations and simplifies your daily tasks. This integration, if true, could set a new benchmark for AI in smartphones. Another intriguing addition to the Galaxy lineup is the rumored S25 Slim, a sleek variant aimed at competing directly with Apple's minimalist offerings. While details remain scarce, early reports suggest a thinner design with slightly scaled-down specs, making it an exciting option for users seeking a compact yet powerful device. It's expected to launch later in the year, so stay tuned for more updates on this intriguing addition to the Galaxy family. When it comes to pricing, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to start at $1,300, reflecting the increased costs of its cutting-edge components. For those considering an upgrade, the S25 series offers significant improvements, especially if you're coming from an older Galaxy model. With a brighter 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED display, faster charging, and advanced connectivity options like Wi-Fi 7 and ultra-wideband, this phone is ready for the future. The Galaxy S25 series isn't just about hardware, it's about creating a seamless ecosystem. Whether you're using the Ultra, Plus, or the standard model, Samsung is ensuring that every device integrates smoothly with its wearables, tablets, and smart home solutions. This holistic approach, combined with the anticipated January 21, 2025 launch date, is building hype like never before. What do you think of the Galaxy S25 Ultra? Are these upgrades enough to justify the price, or are you waiting to see what competitors bring to the table? Let us know in the comments below. And remember, we'll be covering all the latest leaks and rumors right up to the official release, so hit that subscribe button and stay tuned.